What's up guys, Chris here from shotgunheatshield.com. I'm going to show you guys our new Shockwave heat shield. We have them in peanut butter tan. We got the round hold slots, we got the long slots. This is our newest one. You'll see the front bead sight kind of pokes through in that little pilot hole. These are custom modified, so we do the sanding. It's not perfect, but it ends up looking really mean, kind of a proud fit on the barrel. So I'm going to show you guys how to throw one on there. Upside down, as you go about halfway back, or all the way. These are an M3 thread pitch screw. We can close a couple of them in 8mm, it's the perfect length. 12mm is a little bit long. And this can have a little bit of a gap. Doesn't have to be perfectly flush fit, and just finger tighten, don't over tighten. But yeah, you'll see, boom, just pops off. This kind of snugs on in the rear, and then you screw on the front bracket. So let's try the slotted one. So boom, we're just gonna pop that rear part on, the C-clamp, and then you'll see that pilot hole lines perfectly up. Okay, and then we just put the brackets on. So let's go upside down. It only uses one of the two brackets. So the standard shield uses two. These just use one. There's not enough room for a second bracket. If you find a way to do it, let me know. So boom. And again, we're at shotgunheatshield.com. We're just getting these made this week, so they seem like they are going to be pretty popular. But yeah, see, don't over tighten. That pilot hole is going to hold it in place. There can be a little gap, but boom, you're good to go. That's our vaporized shield. So yeah, check us out, shotgunheatshield.com. Use the promo code YouTube. That's our best coupon, and that'll save you a few bucks. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're having a great summer.